Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have a Walmart haul. This haul was $120. It's not as large of a haul as far as the number of items, but there were some higher ticket items in this haul. Actually, it was $130, which is crazy, but some of the items were higher ticket, which I will get to, of course. So starting over here and working my way onto the other side, I got a bag of the seedless easy peel mandarins. My husband, my son, and I all like these, so I just got a bag of those. Some pearl onions. I want to try these in a couple in a recipe, and actually there's a few other recipes I want to try and incorporate these in because I'm obsessed with these. I got a ripe avocado. I've been just having like mashed avocado with some tortilla chips for a snack. This pancake syrup aisle was really weird. There was literally two options. There was sugar-free, a lot of the Log Cabin sugar-free brand, or this. Like, that's it. It was really weird. So I got this. I also needed some chili powder, so I just got the Great Value. It was like 98 cents. And then I needed some smoked paprika. Very slim pickings on this as well. There was either this one or a huge, like, quart size one, so unfortunately I had to get this because there was no other option, and this was pricey. It was like $5. I got the Minute Maid Zero Sugar Pink Lemonade, which I've been buying every single week for a couple months now. I'm very excited about this. I've seen these in a few YouTube videos. This is the Sistema, which I love this brand. I have a few of their lunch cube items. This one is their bento lunchbox. So when you open it up, there's a separate tray here, which I really like. So you can put a sandwich here, or like fruit or something larger, or you can put a sandwich here on top. And you guys will see this in action in my, in my lunch videos moving forward. And then it comes with a little container, which I use these all the time for different things. And then it comes with a little pull-out tray. And then there's two compartments. It's just really compact and nice to fit an entire lunch inside, as you can see here by the picture. But anyways, this was $10, and I'm going to be using this for my husband because most of you know I am rolling out lunch videos soon. Actually, the next video after this that you will see will be a lunch video, which is going to be my first one in a while. Cat food aisle, still slim pickings. I really need to just go online to either like Amazon Pet or Chewy or something and order her food, her Temptations food. But I just grabbed these to hold me over until I can actually get online and order it. These are like $1 something each, so I just grabbed like 7 of them, I think. I got some Angel Sweet little cherry tomatoes. I like these on salads. I like to snack on them, and I like to use them in things like this when I pack my husband like crackers, cheese, pepperoni. They're just a good little addition with some olives or something. I needed toothpaste. We needed toothpaste, so I just got the 3-pack of the Colgate Total Whitening Sensitivity Relief. I think this was like $10 or $11 or something. So I got that. My son's little smoothie cup shooters. I buy these every, 12 days? So every week and a half or so. I'll pick these up because he likes one every morning. I also got the Welch's fruit and yogurt fruit snacks for Grady. He really likes these. I got some Capri Sun berry flavored roaring water pouches. They're like the 50% less sugar juice pouches. I actually take them when I work. My husband, I can pack in his lunchbox, and my son likes them. So try to get things that we all like. Extra toasty Cheez-Its. They did not have the family size box. It was sold out. So I got the smaller one. Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches for my husband. I really want to start making him homemade ones. That's definitely on my to-do list for food stuff. So hopefully soon I can get my act together and make those. I did get this large variety pack of Yoplait original yogurt. This is one of the very few yogurts that I actually like, the Yoplait original. I don't like the whipped one. I don't like Greek yogurt. I'm pretty picky with yogurt. I'm not a huge fan of it. But I got the strawberry and the peach because I thought it would be just a good thing to have for a snack, to pack my husband to bring to work, etc., that kind of thing. I needed spaghetti for a recipe, so I got the Barilla spaghetti. My son, Grady, picked out blueberry Nutri-Grain bars. He is actually on winter break this week, and I am off work because obviously somebody has to be there to watch my son. So Grady and I actually went to Walmart together, so he picked these out. Usually he likes the cherry or the apple, but he's all over the place, but this is the one he wanted today. I also am trying these Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs. We are not a keto family. We've never done the keto diet. I do find it interesting, the whole aspect of it, but I've just heard these were good, and I got these for my husband because they are high in protein. They are just something different. I've heard they're filling. They're like, I think they're like a meal replacement bar. Yes, meal bars. So I just thought they'd be something different for my husband. I'm always looking for different snacks and things for his lunches. We needed granulated sugar for coffee. I get one of these, I don't know, every few months. So I just got the Great Value. We needed more disposable gloves. I prefer the Great Value brand, and I always get the powder free. I use these all the time for cooking. If I have to scrub pots, anything that requires my hands to be in a lot of use because my hands are so dry in the winter here. So I love this brand. They are expensive though. This is like $15 or $16, but a box of these lasts me a long time, many months. I also had to buy my Duck brand packing paper. I use this in my reselling business for certain items. This will last me a while. It's 220 sheets. The sheets are huge. This was $15. I believe it's cheaper at Sam's Club, but I don't have a Sam's Club near me. But this will last me a while, so I did have to pick that up. I got a few boxes of tissues. I like the Great Value brand with the lotion in it. We needed napkins, very slim pickings on these as well. So I just got the Great Value family napkin, super cheap. It was like $1 something. And then we are starting to get low on toilet paper. So just to hold us over until I can get to BJ's and buy like the 36 pack, I just got the Scott 12 pack. This is a brand we like. We will obviously use whatever if there's no other option, but we prefer the Scott, so I just got that pack until I can get to BJ's. So this is everything today from Walmart. I'm going to share now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night I'm going to do some omelets. I might do like a Western style omelet with some ham, some cheese, some peppers and onions, and then I'm going to do a hash brown casserole on the side. I do have a whole video on that recipe, so I'll link it down below. And then that night I'll just use up whatever fruits we need to use up that are getting towards the end of their life. I have a large Boston pork butt in the freezer in the basement. So I'm going to do a large pulled pork in my larger crock pot, and then I will freeze half. I try to do a double batch, and then I have a half of it frozen in the freezer. Roasted veggies, I'll just see what I have to use up, and maybe some potatoes as well, some kind of potato. Not sure what type of way I'll do the potatoes, but that will be the general game plan that night. I'm going to do some Mexican pizzas one night with just chips and salsa, really easy. I don't think I have a video on these, but I use like a tortilla, and then I layer 2 tortillas with like refried beans and cheese and, you know, chopped tomatoes and olives and whatever kind of meat I want to put on there. I have shown me making these in a few different What's for Dinner videos, but I don't think I have a dedicated recipe on it. I just kind of wing it and make it a little bit different each time, but it's really good. I'm going to do meatloaf one night with green beans and rice, turkey meat taco salad, so I'll just pan fry, you know, cook off some ground turkey, add some taco seasonings, and throw it on a bed of lettuce. And then I also have this McCormick General Tso's chicken slow cooker packet. This was a limited edition. I do not think McCormick still makes these. However, I could be wrong. I just haven't seen them in a while. And this is actually about to expire, so I want to go ahead and use it up. I just have a little note to thaw chicken thighs, and I'm not even 100% sure I have chicken thighs, so that's something I need to check on right now. And I also think I need to buy broccoli, which is why I have a little note with a question mark, because you need chicken thighs and broccoli for this recipe. I just think it comes out better than with chicken breast, although you could do chicken breast. Of course, I have my freebie night, and can I just say I am really looking forward to being able to grill outside, because right now it is 21 degrees, and I was just looking at this beer can chicken packet that we do on the barbecue grill, and it just reminded me that I can't wait until grilling season, because if you've been watching my dinner videos for a while, you know that in the warmer months we grill probably 3 times a week easily, all through the warmer months, which here is like May through, I don't know, September. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video, which will actually be a what's for lunch video coming very soon.